how to find local businesses for your marketing agency to reach out to. I know like you have seen a lot of videos, especially on YouTube, like how to find different businesses to reach out to. But in this video, I'm not only going to tell you just one way. I'm going to tell you 4 different ways that I personally use to, especially like for my own niche, which is solar. How do I find those people? How do I find my prospects to reach out to? Right? Whatever I'm doing, you just have to replicate that for like whatever niche you are currently prospecting in or running your marketing agency in, right? So this video is going to be completely value packed, guys, for sure. I just wanted to just stick to the very end, because the 4 ways I'm going to mention on this video, you're not going to regret learning and knowing about it and becoming aware about it, right? Because once you know these 4 steps, you would never run out of prospects to reach out to. I hope that makes sense. But anyways, guys, let's start off the basic one, the first one, which is very very basic, and you guessed it right, that's LinkedIn. So let's switch to my screen and let me show you how everything looks like. So this is very basic and simple one on LinkedIn. If you don't have Sales Navigator, that's absolutely fine, not a problem. So first of all, let's say you are in roofing niche, you are in remodeling or roofing. Let's take roofing example. So now that's a local business. You need to reach out to roofing contractors, roofing owners, roofing reps, which you can say representative, sales guys, whatever it is, right? So let's search for roofing. Just type roofing. I'm going to show you the first very easy way. Just type roofing. Then the next step is going to people. Then you have to go to obviously country, which is US, and that's all. Now the third step is we will be going to all filters. This is very basic one. I'm pretty much sure like you guys are aware of it. And then we're going to go to this title part. We're going to type down owner. That's the first one. Very easy, very basic, very simple. So you have close to around 49,000 roofing company business owners you can reach out to. As easy as possible in less than 3 minutes. I just showed you how everything works like, how everything looks like in terms of like searching for roofing business owners, right? So guys, this is the first way. Now if you want different prospects on the same niche, let's say you're going to go here. In terms of keyword, you will change it to, let's say I want to reach out to roofing contractors, right? Or let's say for more a generic term, let's go with roofing representatives, roofing reps, like don't own a roofing company, but they sell for one, right? Because these guys also have money to spend on marketing, so you can also reach out to them. And in terms of the title, we will just replace it with representative. That's it. Show results, and let's see like if we get something out of it. Okay, so we have 8,200 results again. Sales representative at Tremco Roofing and Building Maintenance, right? Sales representative at Pinnacle Roofing and Siding. Guys, how easy it can be to like reach out to your prospects or find a list of the prospects, right? So this is just the first way of finding prospects on LinkedIn, right? So there's, I think, another way of finding prospects on LinkedIn, and that's, I think, if I do remember correctly, that's known as Boolean searches. I'm not sure if you guys are aware. So you can directly find the prospects right from the search bar. So roofing, and now you want to reach out to owner. So you'll just type down, I think it works like this, owner. That's it, roofing. And yeah, you have to put the yeah, here it is, roofing and owner. Let's see if this works, because I haven't tried it in a while. Okay, so we don't have much, sales representative. Okay, we have to remove this source term. I forgot about it, sorry. Reset. Show results. All right, guys, it's working. I thought it wouldn't work, but it's working. So what I did is like I entered the niche and who you want to reach out to. If it's sales representative, type it there. If it's owner, type down there. And if it's any other like designation of your prospect in a company, you can type it there and get a list, reach out to them. That's the third way, just on LinkedIn. This is just the third way, guys. I haven't even started the video completely yet, right? So let's try out with the solar reps, my own niche. So I'll be typing down solar, right? That's my niche. You have to make sure of it. Solar is my niche. And what's the designation they are in? The designation for them is consultants. That's it. I'm going to search it down and let's see what do we get. Again, we have to select people, US, and here you go. So president at Martin Solar Consultants LLC. So he is like a real estate agent as well as a solar consultant. He is also solar consultant, partner at Apricot Solar, which means he's also solar consultant. So like this Boolean search works well, but you should keep this as an option when you can, like you should be just trying it out when nothing is working, when things you have tried it all and you don't have like any kind of ways left to reach out to prospect and find your prospects, right? Then you can try this out because this works like 99% of the time. But the only disadvantage is you won't be getting a lot of prospects when you do this, right? But if I just do a normal search, let's say solar consultant, right? And when I go here on people US, I have 28,000 results. When I was doing Boolean searches, I was barely getting any results. So that's the difference. So that was all about LinkedIn. So these were the 3-4 ways I've just told you. Just on LinkedIn you can like do outreach on, and how you can actually reach out to your prospects in a in a good way. Because once you know how to find your prospects, then you just need to put your efforts in reaching out to the prospect with a good offer. Again, if you're reaching out to these prospects with like just a normal generic offer, don't expect to get responses out of these prospects, because these guys are hitting up every single day, every single minute of the day, every single hour of the day by marketers. Like I'm going to generate leads, I'm going to generate uh, you know appointments and whatnot. If they want something different. So again, I'm not going to talk about offer in this video because this video is finding prospects and reach out to them, right? So this was all about LinkedIn. Let's go on Instagram. On Instagram, you just have to go on search bar. On Instagram, to be very honest, I haven't done like a lot of outreach, but whenever used to do outreach on LinkedIn, what I used to do is I used to actually use hashtags, right? On Instagram, hashtags generally works extremely well. So let me show you how to use hashtags. Let's say you're reaching out to roofing companies in UK. You're going to type down roofing and UK. Let's say what do we get? It's just a blind search I'm doing. So yeah, here it is, roofing UK. So you got a hashtag here. Open it up, and this is like the top post. You have to go to the another part. I think here's another section of recent post. All right guys, so I'm not getting that option of like recent post. I think that option is only available on mobile phones. But anyways, my point here is, what I'm trying to say, you have to search for roofers in UK. So here are like few pictures like which was recently posted by these roofers. So this is like Jason Pocket Building. So this is another roofing company in UK. Open their page up and boom, reach out to them. So if you can see here, like this guy has also sent them a DM. Maybe he's a marketer. So this strategy is already working and a lot of people are already using it. So just don't be the last one to use this strategy, because this strategy does work on Instagram, right? So you have to just search for the hashtag. So and you just have to start reaching out to them, right? So there's another like this roofing company. These guys posted on 4th August and today is 14th August. Yeah, it's a noticeable time, but reach out to them and see if they respond. And guys, especially these businesses on Instagram, again, they are getting hit by us marketers like every single hour of the day. Again, I cannot emphasize more on like your offer should be so irresistible, like they just cannot say no to, right? Just pitch them something like they want. So the first one is using hashtags. Second, what you have to do is you have to search for the most popular companies in your industry. For me, in solar industry, I know one company which is very popular. I'm going to search for Sunrun. So this is one company which is very popular, so these are like this page has 28,000 followers. I'm not sure if it's legit followers or not, but you can see like these guys recently posted 2 days ago. So what you can this is second way, by the way. So you have to go on search bar. I mean like the people who have actually liked, you have to just scroll and hover over their names, and you will see whether these guys are selling solar or not. Most of them are actually selling solar because they have liked it, and most probably the chances are very high, like if they're following this page, either they are a homeowner who went solar with this particular company, or either they sell with Sunrun. The second one, the probability of the second one is extremely high. So all the people who have liked this post, you can reach out to them. That's second way. The third one, all the people who have commented here, third way, right? Now let's talk about the fourth way. Go to their followers, and you will start seeing people who are selling solar. Let's say you again scroll down to their name, hover over to their name, and find a guy who sells solar. I think most of the people here are selling solar, but let me show you a good example. So you can see here, I think yeah, I think, see, this guy is selling solar. What you have to do is you have to open his profile up in another page, right? And better go solar, another guy who's selling solar. So you have to go here again, you have to go to their followers, go to their followings, go to the people who have liked their post. Chances are there, like, you're going to find relevant people in their engagement section, in their followers section, in their following section. You just have to keep doing it until you get tired, to be honest, right? Because there's no limit. You can reach out to as many as people possible, right? Similarly, this guy, so seems like, yeah, he has a cap with the name solar on it, something like that. But what you have to do is you have to go to the followers, again find solar people in his followers, again do the same in his following, and find solar guys in his following, right? Go here, check his likes, right, the recent post, and see like if any other solar person has liked his post, his, her, whatever it is. Then open all the other solar guys profiles and do the same. You just have to keep doing it again and again. I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to say, right? So these are the 3-4 ways again on Instagram to finding prospects. So the fourth way I was actually talking about is Phantombuster. So if you don't follow Ashish, so the link is in the description. Subscribe to his channel and see his recent video on how to find thousands of leads just using the software Phantombuster. I'm not going to cover down like what he actually showed as an own video, so you can just check out his video here, and that's the fourth way for this video. Anyways guys, in the description you're going to find a lot of links. First of all, if you want to start your own agency, scale it to $10,000 per month, I've recently started a course, already have a lot of students getting success out of it. 10k SMMA glitch. Also join the Facebook group and from the comment section, which is absolutely free for you guys. And also don't forget to subscribe my new vlogging channel, Bhavesh Unreal, and my new Europe vlogs are coming down very soon. So anyways guys, all the very best and keep taking action. Bye.